Model, 2015 Ford Transit Connect Trend 230L to 1.6 95PS double cab in van spares OR repairs crew cab trader margin starstruck. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 178762. Engine, 1560 cc 1.6 TDCI 95 PS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 2 former keepers, full service history, electric windows, air con, parking sensors, 2 keys. EU status: Euro 5.